Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we draw the pumpkin spice latte cat from Aphmau's Meemeows. So let's get started. To draw this very cute cat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big curve as if I'm drawing an oval, the top of an oval, or I guess an upside down U. And bring it all the way back down. Then I'm going to come to the bottom right here and just connect it with a soft curve. And then let's come out right here, continuing that curve outwards and put in this lash. Then on the inside, we need to draw a highlight. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval at an angle. Then we need to draw a pumpkin in here. So let's say about right here, touching that highlight, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this ovalish shape right inside right here towards the bottom. And then we're going to add in a leaf right here. And then at the inside, we're just going to draw two curves so that we know it's a pumpkin. Make this part a little bit flatter. There. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to use this as my guide and drag it across to say about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. So go up nice and high. And once again, same thing. Right about there. And then highlight this time, it's going to be on this side. And our pumpkin. There. Okay, and then in between, we're going to draw the mouth. So let's say about right here in the center, give myself a point. And we're going to draw two curves coming out. And then connect it with a curve in the center. And another one for a tongue. There. So once you color it in, it'll all make sense. It looks kind of weird right now. And then from there, let's see here. Oh, almost forgot. Just put a little curve above each eye. Then let's come back to the top. I'm going to go way up. So in the center, find my center, and I'll just say about right here. Give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. So this is going to be the dollop of cream right on top of the head. Let's say about right there. And then right about here and here, I'm going to go ahead and start with our head for our cat. So same thing on both sides. So it's kind of like drawing this mochi shaped head. We're going to go around the eyes. And keep going, and we're going to flatten it out towards the bottom. So about right there, let's go ahead and connect. And all the way. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're going to come back up here and finish our cream. So we're going to go up 1, 2, and one more dollop at the top. Wave it a little bit and come back on the other side. Same thing right there. And I'm going to lightly put in a line, a curve, all the way across. And we can add in some cinnamon sticks right here and here as well. One more. And also, if you like, you can put in some of these sprinkles. Okay, I'll put in 3 right here. Okay, So then from there, let's draw the ears. So I'm going to start the ears about right here and here. Just easier for my hand. To about right there, round off the tip and tuck it into this area. Then we're going to draw the inside. And same thing on this side, right here. And I'll just drag this across. Right above the eye. About right there. So go ahead. And about right here, round off the tip. And bring it down. Once again, the inside. There. Okay, so now we're done with the head. Let's go ahead and we need to draw the body. So right underneath this eye, I'll say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for the front paw to about right here. And one more right here underneath this eye. Right there. Then on the back, we need to draw a big dollop. So let's see here. Let's start about right here, kind of where the ear is. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big curve. So I'm just still imagining the body is going to be about right here as my usual Meemeow shape. So then from there, this will be the back. So I'll stop about right here and we're going to go ahead and come right here on the tip and draw one curve and another one for the center dollop, just like this side, perhaps. And one more. There. Okay. And then we're going to lightly draw a curve. Some details. So now we have this big dollop. Then we're going to come down as our usual curve. So we're going to come right here. And I'm just going to kind of wobble my curve right here a little bit. And then connect it. So we have a curve. So I'm trying to give this part has some texture. And then another curve right here. This is going to be white. I assume that's like for the cup, the lip of our cup. I guess we're trying to make it look like a pumpkin spice latte, right? So this would be like the foamy part. And then we're going to continue one more layer, come all the way down to about right there. Then we're going to bring this across like usual and then finish it off with our back. And then come right back in here, some curves and another one for the feet. And then of course, don't forget the tail. So I'm going to stick the tail in about right here. And we're going to go up and bring it down to about right there. And then you can put in some of these stripes. Two and then one more. There. So then for more details, as you can put in some for texture. And then at the top right here, there's like a drizzle. So I'm just going to go ahead and wobble my way across on each layer. And one more. I really hope you have fun drawing this. Just like all the other Meemeows I've done so far. And then we need to draw a big pumpkin right here. So I'm going to start about right here with a soft curve. And another curve. Bring it down. Same thing on the other side. And then the center curve and then another one. Then just go ahead once again and draw these two curves right about here. Then a center with a big stem and a leaf. And of course we need to add a stripe going through our pumpkin. And one more bar here. And the center. And last thing, of course, is a big heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Pumpkin Spice Latte Cat from Aphmau's Meemeows. I really hope you loved this drawing and that helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.